Horses in. Horses out. Tanging ikaw. Pass to begin. Rhino Process alongside Terry Toon. Moving up on the outside. Now comes Treasure Island. Doña Marucha comes next. And follow number 9. Bubblegum Celestial. Mucho Macho. Binget is by Drell. About 6 wide. Son of the Wind. Money for Sheltex. Passion Island. Prospector Scott. While Sando is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn. Now we have Reina Process by about 2 lengths. Terry Toon now in second. Treasure Island is racing in third. Bubblegum now moving up to take 4. Tangigaw is racing in 5th. Binget 6. 7 is Doña Marucha. Celestial comes next. Money for Sheltex alongside Mucho Macho is Spidrel. Prospector Scott. Spidrel comes entry 1. Passion Island, Son of the Wind. And Sandok still racing in last. Inside the rest of Tabo, we have Reina Process. Bubblegum moving up on the outside. Treasure Island is running down on the inside. Dropping back in for Terry Toon. Tanging ikaw, Doña Marucha. Also moving up, Money for Sheltex. We've got Bubblegum by about 2 lengths. Treasure Island still in second on the outside. Doña Marucha in third. As they come down the last 200, Bubblegum is still in front.